Guys, we're going to do a recipe for our face. So when I get my skin get really bad and get kiloed up, I get like the black marks, and then it's hard for me to get the black marks, acne out of my face. So I'm still using my scrubs and stuff, guys. So but what I'm going to do to make my scrub a little bit more potent and remove a lot of those scars, like when I'm using the lemons and you realize the lemon juice is not cutting it, I buy skin lightener oils, and we're going to put it into the scrub, guys. So in here I got, I did have some lemon juice because it's old, sugar, honey, turmeric, cinnamon. So I'm retouching it off, guys. So I'm going to put in some sugar. Okay, sugar acts as an exfoliator. Honey. Honey helps tighten your skin and everything, anti-aging. Okay. The turmeric removes dark circles, spots, works on the acne, inflammation, and everything. Don't use a lot of turmeric, guys. You know, turmeric is an ingredient in mustard. It'll turn your sink like orangey. So don't use a lot of turmeric. Be lightly on the turmeric. And this is cinnamon. Cinnamon is great for acne. So I put some cinnamon in there, guys. And then I'm going to add the skin lightening in there, because that's going to be like oil. So the skin lightening got a vitamin E in it. So, because what I want to do is get out all them scars in my face. They wasn't moving. So that's what the skin lightener is for, guys. So you mix all this up and you use it daily. You use it daily when you wind up having more time, guys. In the morning, when you're getting ready for work, or your Saturday, or if you can't let it sit, just put it on and wipe it off, guys. But I mix it up like a paste, and I leave it in the bathroom, guys, and use this every day, every night. And you will be like, wow, them dark circles, those spots, those scars, you will be amazed with what it'll do. So, guys, I mix it up like a paste. So you can make it as thick as you want it or whatever, and this will last you a long time. And one of my YouTubers, she like, you always saying, guys. I'm sorry, it's a habit of doing that. So you're going to mix it up. And you can make it as thick as you want it. So I want it to be thicker than this. So to make it thicker, you add more sugar. And that's what you're going to do. You do that, and then you put it on your face. So I put some more sugar, you put it on your face, and then I let it sit. And then when I take my shower, I'm gonna take it off then. But the lightening oil has a vitamin E in it, so you don't have to use a moisturizer, you know, afterwards, because it got the vitamin E in it. This one. So if you do a skin lightener, make sure it got a vitamin E in it, or oil. If not, add a little vitamin E in it, because you want to keep your face moisturized at the same time. And then I take a little bit. I already got some on as well. And just put it on. And this is one of them scars that I got, real bad scars right here. And I wasn't able to get them out. And you could do your lips too. So you got dark lips. You can use this as an exfoliator as well. Exfoliate your lip. And them dark circles. So, yeah, guys. That's the ingredients to make that face scrub. And I'm just going to let it sit. So, you guys have an awesome morning. Bye. Okay, guys, there's some information right there about honey. There's also some information what honey and cinnamon do for the skin. There's also information right here with honey, cinnamon, and the cinnamon, the turmeric, all that, guys. So if you guys don't believe me, you can go to Google and look up these things and go from there. And you guys will see that this will really work for your skin. You can save money.